and welcome to another video. Today we're talking all about travel journaling. So I created this album before I left for my visit to Kazakhstan, and you can find that video on my channel on YouTube as well. I created this out of card kits from American Craft. So as you can see, these are all cards from their kit that I bound together, and I added a few charms that I got while I was there, but most of this binding I did before I left. And I like to take like a pre-made journal with me with some embellishments, but then I also like to look for a lot of stuff while I'm traveling, so that it really captures the feeling of being in that country. So for instance, this was a magnet that I got, and I peeled off the back of the magnet and stuck it down. This is some paper that I got, but I'm going to show you inside lots of little different things that I did, so that hopefully you will get some ideas of your own. So this was a window card already pre-built, and I used this as the cover. Again, this is all stuff that I took from home with me in my travel kit. So a sticker sheet of travel stickers, or something, scrapbook paper. That's basically all you do need. And again, this is all the stuff that I did find on my travels. This was a scrapbook paper that was illustrated that I found in Astana. And again, this was a paper bag, my boarding pass. This was a little bit of a book written in Russian. Again, this was a postcard, and what I did was, this was actually paper that I found while I was in Astana, while I was traveling. So whenever I wanted to insert like another piece or another spread in the journal, I just taped it on both sides to the piece of card, like that. So you can see over here, I think this will be a better example. This was the card that I had, and this, but there was enough space in the middle because I'd done like a loose binding, because I knew that this would happen. I would pick up paper on the way that I would want to add, and so all I had to do was basically just tape the two sides. And I've done that many times throughout this book because I needed more pages than I had. And again, this was just a postcard, again taped in here. So you don't have to do fancy stuff sometimes. I mean, I just tore the edges of the scrapbook paper that I found and just glued it in. A lot of journaling. I put in a lot of postcards and stickers. Again, this was a piece of paper that I found there while I was traveling. It gave me some extra journaling space. I made little tabs from lace that I found in the markets in Almaty. This was a cross-stitch bit that I picked up, to do in the evenings while I was relaxing. And so I put that in here, the finished piece. And then a lot of my journaling I also did as like mini books that I put in, because I didn't want all my journaling to be visible all the time. And so I did that a couple times in the book. But mostly, I mean, it's just stuff that I picked up, thrown together. Didn't worry too much about how it would look. It ends up looking okay. I mean, it's all about the experience, really. So again, this was a page of a storybook. And I tried to add these little elements, right, of the culture there, and the things that I did. I did a lot of tangling. I came up with some new tangles, so I put that in there. More of their gorgeous lace. Reminded me a lot of home. They had some nice fabric and lace stores. They make excellent chocolate, and so they've done like chocolate wrappers from 1001 Nights. Really like that. And so this was a little pamphlet that I found at the tourist center, and so I just glued it into one of the cards to create another little booklet. Did a lot of journaling and wrote down tips and tricks for next time when I go. Again, this was paper that I found there, place for postcards. Then, you know, all my, basically my list of stuff to do, what I did this time, what I would, you know, want to do next time. Another little booklet. And then I also get some wrappers of fun things that I tried there. Their cream cheese is really good, their ice cream is really good, dairy products are excellent. So this was you know, something that was fun to do sometimes in the evenings. I got to capture a lot of memories, and I got to capture a lot of the culture of the country that I was visiting, and I really liked doing that. And I thought that I would share with you how, you know, just a simple little journal with a few embellishments can really turn into a memorable keepsake. So I'll see you in the next video, and hopefully we'll be doing some art journaling soon.